In recent years, the shadow of inflation has loomed large over consumers. From groceries to gasoline, prices have gone up in just about every sector, and the automotive aftermarket is no exception. While this kind of environment puts extra pressure on the average consumer, it also puts pressure on your DIFM customers who are challenged to deliver the most economical repair options to their customers. Remanufactured parts present a compelling solution. The Remanufacturing Industries Council defines remanufacturing as a comprehensive and rigorous industrial process by which a previously sold, leased, used, worn, or non-functional product or part is returned to like new or better than new condition from both a quality and performance perspective through a controlled, reproducible, and sustainable process. The core for a remanufactured part is completely disassembled down to individual components. All renewable components are cleaned and analyzed for failure modes and then reassembled using a combination of new and refurbished components, resulting in a reliable finished product that's virtually identical to a new part at a lower cost. Leading automotive parts remanufacturers follow strict protocols for inspecting, disassembling, cleaning, and reconditioning or replacing components, as well as testing the remanufactured units against OE tolerance specifications. Some remanufacturers also address known OEM design issues using upgraded components or processes to improve upon the OEM part, resulting in a better finished product than its new OEM equivalent. The environmental benefits of remanufactured parts go hand in hand with the cost savings mentioned earlier. Remanufacturing requires fewer raw materials, consumes less energy, and produces less waste than manufacturing a product from scratch. The savings in each of these areas usually translate into a like new or better product that costs less than a newly manufactured replacement part. Depending on the product, your customers could save anywhere from 10 to 40% or more compared to a new part. By using remanufactured parts, your DIFM customers are contributing to a circular economy and minimizing the environmental impact of repairs. This eco-friendly approach can be a selling point for environmentally conscious consumers, aligning with the growing trend towards sustainability. Remanufactured parts are available for a wide range of automotive applications, including alternators, starters, turbochargers, brake calipers, transmissions, rack and pinion assemblies, control modules, throttle bodies, and brake boosters. These parts usually come with warranties that are similar to those offered with new parts, underscoring the confidence in the quality and reliability of remanufactured parts. Reman Auto Parts are a win-win-win proposition. They offer quality and performance on par with new parts, cost savings for repair shops and their customers, and a reduced environmental footprint. By recommending remanufactured parts, CounterPros can support a more sustainable and affordable repair ecosystem. Thanks for watching.